Hello guys, it's Painted Dragon here. Anyways, I am showing you another moment of my time with... Oh great, now I gotta settle, now I gotta talk to Thornclaw. Yes, Atticlaw. Lifestyle wants us to go out on a patrol, check around. Sure, let's go. Oh, I think now I remember. Just 1 minute, guys. I'll be back in a sec. Okay, now that's right. Anyways, you go down here, where in the territory, then you go past WindClan territory, and you'll bump into badgers. Yes, you will bump into badgers. Wait, I think, yes, I'm supposed to heal. You're supposed to heal first, guys. Yes, you are supposed to heal. Anyways, can't believe it. I have to, like, I'm so mad right now. I don't even wanna do, like, this crap. But I have to. I'm just gonna sell all of this stuff. Okay, now buy some catnip. Good, now I have what I need. Okay, now we continue. Now we go through WindClan territory, just like how I said. Wait, no. Oh, man. I'm getting mixed up. Wait. We will go through what we know. Okay, so as you can see, these two warriors here, they are not important. Here you are, Atticlaw. Now let's head over to Sanyak so we can look over there. It's Flamepaw. As you can see, Flamepaw turns into Flametail in the new territory. Hey, Atticlaw and Thornpaw. What are you doing here? Does your mentor Dustpelt know that you're out here alone? No, but I just had to get out of camp. Please, would you let me come with you? Fine. You can come, but don't blame Dustpelt. He shared to go back. Good, now let's get going. We should just go out of here. Let's go and check this snake rock. Now let's go close the water. Wow, they walk slow. I say that I walk faster than them because I'm like really fast. You could just like run right through instead of like walking around. Yeah, let's go. You see, Squirrel fights like really is like fast, but I walk faster than that. Anyways, keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Okay, listen up, guys. At the end of here, you see this tunnel where it says, "Oh no, don't go in there." Well, on Warrior Castle Prophecy, you will go in there and you will fight a stinking badger. Yep, that's right. Sorry, stinking badger. What? That's horrible scent that I smell. It's a badger. Yes, it's a badger. It's not midnight. It seems to be coming from that den up there. I'm going to check it out. And then they see, and it is a badger. Look out, badgers attacking! Oh, this is bad. This is like really bad. I'm not even at its level. Oh. gonna die. I'm gotta be joking me, right? Yeah, I knew it. I'm not gonna survive to this. Dang. Okay, I better get up to a higher level. Okay, we're going out here, and we're going to fight some wild cats. No, I do not want to fight a badger. I would fight a cat, but I do not want to fight a single badger. We bumped into Mouse for that old hag. Wow. How dare you hit the apprentice that travels with me? I have no idea why I'm saying this. We both have levels up. This is not important. Anyways, we just keep going. Seriously, why do we keep bumping into badgers? I don't get that. Okay, guys. I know that you all noticed that you say, oh, you're gonna lie since you're just a new YouTuber. Well, I'm not lying about this, guys. The power of 3 Warrior Cats the game is coming out, and I'm the first one that's gonna play it, guys. Yeah, that's right. I'm the first one that's gonna play the power of 3 the Warrior Cats game. And also, newsflash, they are nearly 1 book away from the game. You're still like, oh, where? Well, they are 1 book away from the game. And I am so excited that I can sleep through 1 single thing. Don't mind that, that's my dad. Okay, we see what we're going through, people. Yep. Okay, we just need to fight a little more, and we'll be there. No time. Wait, I think this one's a little longer than the other videos that I have done in the past few days. I think I am right. This is the longest video I have done. But anyways, I know that I did not get the chance to defeat that badger, but I will defeat that badger. I'll show everything. I'll show everyone that what I am. It's true. Ah, the stupid cat's in the way. Ah, man. Okay, go back to this guy in here, and it says like, do not go in there, blah 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 blah. Anyways, then we talk. We're going to fight this badger. badges up to level 12. Oh, no, you didn't. Well, wait, the badge is like fighting alone and stuff, so it's not that big of a deal. Oh, that must have hurt. Well, when you're trying to fight this badger, I would say you should be up to level 11 or 12. Anyways, we have levels up. We've got to tell 5-star about the badger. Yes, we should. Claw. Yes, we should. Anyways, that's all for today, guys. I would say come and see my channel, Painter Dragon. Or if you can't find it, then just type in Horror Katsuya Mime and click my picture and you'll find me right there. Bye guys. I'll see you later.